So to use the full functionality of Adobe COnnect, such as screen sharing, you need to enable the Adobe COnnect Add-In. And I'm going to show you how to do that now. So when you copy the link to the Adobe COnnect room that you're entering, choose the Enter with your login and password option and use your TAFE information, login details, to log in, to enter the room. So the Adobe COnnect room is now loading, along with the tutorial, which I'll close. So what's happened here, you can see that the Adobe COnnect room has loaded, albeit a very small screen, into the browser window, which doesn't make using the program very easy. So what we're going to do is we're going to go to troubleshooting. So the help menu on the right, scroll down to troubleshooting. This will run some automatic tests on the Adobe COnnect room and your connection speed and Adobe COnnect Add-In, which is a Flash add-in. The connection speed, probably the connection speed test takes the longest of all of them. So what it will do is it will stop at step 4, which is the next step, and show you that you don't have the Adobe COnnect Add-In installed. And it will give you the option to install the Adobe COnnect Add-In eventually. There we go, install add-in. And I would like to install it now, yes. It doesn't take very long. And once it's installed, that item will change to a green tick, and I can go back to my Connect room. And what I will do is I will re-enter that web address and reload that Connect room. And this time, it opens in its own window outside of the browser. And so for sharing webcams and sharing screens, that's what you'll need to do. It's as simple as that.